we are moving on to the improv portion of the night. Round of applause. Thank you, thank you. The woo portion's done, so please don't woo. No, we welcome your woos, they fuel us.
Yeah, we love a good woo.
We love a good woo. Round of applause, who here's never seen improv before? Very good, a bunch of aristocrats. Cool. Folks, this next group of people, they got together 1999?
Yeah.
Prince? Yeah?
Yeah.
They got together with a formal love of Prince?
Yep.
Yeah. Cool.
1999.
There was the Purple Rain, specifically. Anyways. They're gonna recreate that moment for you right now. It's scripted, but they're not gonna do it scripted because it's improv. You degenerates, no talking during the show. I'm just kidding. You get my time. It's a transition. Nobody wants to hear about this. Folks.
You woo all you want.
You woo all you want.
You woo.
There we go. Folks, let's put your hands together now and welcome up to the stage, Switchblade!
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We are Switchblade. We're going to get a show going for you right now. All I need to know is something that you recently had a dream about. Thing?
Dim sum.
Dim sum. Dim sum. All right, cool. When the lights come up. Ow! Gary. Well, you can show your appreciation. It's good. You know what? It's good that you're showing your appreciation. I was worried you wouldn't like this.
I think it's delicious. What do you think?
I know you don't like to try new things. I know that that's a good thing for you. You know, you came to a new restaurant, eating a new kind of food.
I feel refreshed. It's 2020. I'm just, I'm gonna do things with my life. I'm tired of sitting around not trying new things. I want to feel refreshed about myself and my inner body.
Yeah, fuck 2019, man.
Fuck 2019. Right?
Yeah.
What good came out of 2019?
For us, nothing.
Zero.
Nothing. That was a very bad year for all of us.
My fucking mother died.
Yeah. That it probably was worse for you had it the worst. Though. You probably had it.
You make a joke that I had it worse than my mom now that she's dead. That's not fucking funny.
No. I'm saying of all of us. I was saying of all of us, you had it worse than me. I just got kicked out of college. That's all that happened to me.
Were you even really going to classes? I feel like you were mostly just partying. Right? I know. Right? You come home with a different person every night. Just smashed.
Yeah, I was popular in high school, so
So now you became a professor in college, and they kicked you out because you partied too hard.
Yeah, actually, I partied with all the students, and that's what. I guess it was funny now.
Silent Joe, you can't just work in a closed store and not talk to the customers, all right? Now look, I hate to do this, but we're gonna have to, no, stop that, stop it. Stop it, all right? I'm trying to tell you something. You don't work here anymore, I have to fire you, okay? No, stop it! Joe, don't make this any harder for me than it has to be, all right? You're one of the hardest workers I've ever seen, but customer service is an important part of this job. Don't do it. Joe.
Oh my god, it's like crazy out there. Like, I saw this man and he was like really, he was gorgeous. He had like a 7-pack. It's like a 6-pack. I'm like, I feel like you get me. Oh my. I've never had a friend that listens. Like, my friends, they just, like, talk over me, and they're like, oh my god, shut up, you never stop talking. It's like, that's fair. Oh my god.
clothes in my house. What? Oh my God! What? Oh my parents' draperies are all folded too. Oh, I thought they were going to be so mad at me when we get home from vacation in 2 minutes. Oh, Dad, you're the best friend ever. No, you were the best. No, you.
Hello? Is there anybody there? I just wanted some French fries and a chocolate shake. It's been the worst day of my life. Hello? McDonald's! What are you doing to me? Is the ice cream machine on? Is it working today? McDonald's!
Roberta, God damn it, we sent you out to get food an hour ago. I said, we're going to have to let you go. I'm sorry.
No! No, but the ice cream machine, there was no one there.
Look, if on the Supreme Court...
Roberta, don't jump! You still have so many reasons to live!
McDonald's wasn't there for me when I needed him! Fuck you, Ronald!
Yeah, I will say I'm gonna miss being at that college though. It was like they had the best gym. Yeah. Simon Joe knows. Oh,
Simon
man.
Joe gets it in, you know what I mean? Like, wakes up early and then works the fuck out. Look at this goddamn Joe! Holy shit, look at this thing! I'm serious. Where do you live? I mean,
Oh my God! You just lifted that diesel engine.
holy shit, I couldn't believe it! That's gotta be at least like 250, 260.
Exactly.
Let me see the things again. Oh my God, you look like a goddamn crime fighter.
What? What?
I'm here, citizens, to destroy your city! No one can stop me!
Oh no!
Now with my mind beam, I will fry you!
Who will save us?
Oh no! It's my beam! Oh!
It's in pain! No, the beam!
No one's come to save you! Ah!
Look, Silent Crusader, we're grateful for you eventually apprehending Mind Woman, but 1,400 people had their brains turned to jelly in the time being while you snuck up on, we saw you on the camera sneaking up, and like everybody in the police was like...
Is that the only defense you have? Ladies and gentlemen in the courtroom, I'd like to give you Exhibit A. Won't even answer our goddamn question. 1,400 people in this fantastic city of Carapolis. 1,400 minds just been beamed. Little babies, little dogs, humans, all of them. Brain wiped because of your incompetence.
Mind woman, you've been acquitted. Here's what I'm thinking. What if we took all that brain jelly and we turned it into a really delicious sandwich spread?
Yes. Subway's already evil, thanks to Jared.
Here for brunch. I heard you had like a mind jelly.
I have a mind-blowing mind jelly. But first, we're serving you.
I just wanted to know.
God damn it! The business is never gonna take off, honey, if you just can't just make the sandwich or keep mind fucking people.
It's mind jelly.
Yeah, well, I feel like we're getting mind fucked because we're not making any money.
You know I only mind fuck you.
Tom, you do this every time, alright? I want that
sandwich. Let's make some money, all right? I get it. I knew you had a bad heart when I fell in love with you, and I love bad women.
So, I know this is your first couples therapy session. I'm gonna make sure, I need to make sure that you're gonna use your words throughout this and not, I'm sorry, what was it that she does
She
sometimes?
gets inside my brain.
And, well, there were other ways of describing it.
I said mind fuck.
Yes,
I think we
that's
called
what I
it.
was looking for. How does this make you feel?
Honestly, I'm really hurt.
What? Wait, now you're hurt?
Oh my God, you're the other couple on the newlywed game that's playing against us.
Prepare to be jelly.
Come on, it's just for a coupon for a free vacation to Aspen.
Okay, and here we are on the newlywed game. So, first question is, what gets the other person going?
Well, I know what she would say. It's
All right, ready on the count of three. Say the same thing. Say it at the same time. Ready?
All right.
A one, a two, a three. Pickles.
Pickles.
The
Look, I used to be the chief of police before I was convicted of corruption. I just want to say, I'm the one who gendered you as Mind Woman. You know, you didn't choose that name. It's like, it's just there was a crisis. Class was on me.
Mind you, it's Brain Dude.
Brain dude, we promised we'd end this affair.
I want to see you tonight. I miss you so much.
I only mind fuck one person. You know that.
What?
It was a prank call.
My mom.
I want to be just like you. Unfortunately, it's a genetic component only.
Wait a minute. We don't even know whose baby that is.
Wait, what?
That's right, I could be the father of that child.
Brain dude!
Well, how? You have sex with my wife? We're newlyweds.
So, you wish to join the League of Villains, cuckold man?
Yeah, I do.
Well,
I want to watch this whole city get fucked right in front of me. Yeah.
I love your anger.
Fuck up!
Yes.
Where do I sign?
You right here with the blood of the innocent.
Fuck yeah. Fuck them too.
Wait, I don't understand. So, you want me to have sex with someone else while you watch?
Yeah.
And that's an evil plan.
Yeah. Can you feel bad? But also a little good. That's how you know it's monster.
I don't know if that's really... Why are you touching me?
Shut your mouth. I'm gonna watch you get fucked now. All right, boys, get in here.
Well, cuckold man. I must say, this is an impressive haul.
Thank you. These are all photographs of all the people that I've watched fuck in front of me.
Yes. Well, we are going to blackmail them, I assume.
Yes, we're gonna blackmail them, and then we're gonna watch their bank accounts get fucked.
Yes, and that's how we...
You're gonna blackmail me for having sex with someone that I was gonna have sex with anyway.
Don't feel so sexy now, do you, Cameron Diaz?
Cameron Diaz won't pay!
What?
The League of Villains! We are bankrupt!
No, we finally found someone's more of a freak than I am! Cameron Diaz must be stopped. I
know a person. I know a person that can handle this.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, the first person who cucked me.
Oh.
My ex-wife.
Your nemesis.
My nemesis. She's the only one that can stop Cameron Diaz.
Did somebody say Cameron Diaz?
Oh, it's you! The original cuck queen.
Oh my goodness! Mind Woman's secret identity was that she was Cameron Diaz!
What are you talking about? I'm Cameron Diaz!
Yeah, what the fuck are you talking about?
Man, what happened to your lair? It's like a box now. Also, why am I back? You already did this to me. Are you alright?
I'm not okay, alright? They kicked me out of the Hall of Bad Guys? Hall of Bad Guys, I got kicked out.
I think it was villains.
Hey, don't fucking talk to me like that! I want you to get fucked! Yeah, that's what I like.
I'm sorry, your voice is a little shaky. I'm worried about it.
It's shaky because my wife is now dating Cameron Diaz.
So, today, I'm so happy that you're gonna move on to, you're gonna leave this cuckolding behind and move into the world of chastity.
It's a hard road for any man to take, but I'm gonna take it.
You've been meditating on this.
I've been meditating twice a day. Master?
Yeah.
My-
Master
you
of
are.
chastity. For your first task, I'm going to help you out into your audience.
Oh
And speak to everyone residing in that house.
no! Alright, I'll do it.
Just speak.
Okay.
Okay, dude, please, this is the waiting room in here. It's awkward. When
You ever been here before?
Yes, I come here once a week. Oh.
You ever get...
Dude, you're being a real downer, okay? I didn't come here to examine my life.
I want to examine your life. When's the last time you had sex?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'll have a burger and some... Oh! Hey!
Hey!
How you doing, man? It's been a while.
Yeah, well, I got kicked out of the Hall of Bad Guys.
Yeah, no, I remember. Then you kidnapped me again
Yeah.
and made me do it with someone and you watched.
Yeah. And then now I'm chastity man and things aren't working out, so I said I'm here.
Well, that's probably it.
Look, it's the Hall of Villains! The Hall of Villains! We've been hearing how you're, going around as a man who makes people examine their lives.
Yeah.
People seem to really hate it.
Are you trying to get me back in the game?
Just maybe I just thought change it up, and then, if people are willing to play blackmail, then it works for us.
What do you want from me exactly, head villain?
Look, we don't have a place to stay. We got kicked out of our lair.
What? You got kicked out of your lair?
Yes, our last lair was a box.
Yeah.
There was a box under I-35.
How does that make you feel, huh?
Terrible.
Does it? What'd you have to see?
Yeah, I can't hold down a steady villain.
Yeah?
Villainy.
When's the last time that villain D got some villain P or D?
Oh, a long time ago.
And the Nobel Peace Prize for psychology goes to Chastity Man.